Okay, good evening, everyone. Welcome to Tusker International. Today we are going to learn the most advanced quantity surveying software in the world. So, before start the session, I will do a little magic. Okay, then you will watch this lecture till the end. Okay, I will share my screen and I will show you a little magic. Okay, I will go to share screen and I will click here and I will share my screen and you can see my screen now. Okay, I will log into my CubiCost software. Okay, so this is the most advanced quantity serving software in the world. Okay, I'm going to show you little magic. Okay, just relax, sit back, relax and watch. So this is the most technological advancement available in the world. Okay, so no need to worry about anything, just watch. Okay. Okay, I will share my screen again. Then you can see my screen properly. Okay, here we go. So this is CubiCost 5D software. I will click new. Okay, I will click new. I think you all can see my screen. Then I will give a name to this project. Okay, I will give MEB2. Okay, I will give MEB2. Then this is my measurement rule. Okay, so the most important thing of this software is the software is embedded with the measurement rule. Okay, you no need to think about measurement rule while you measure. So this software embedded with the measurement rule. As you can see, Australian standard of measurement, then UAE principles of measurement for me, then UK new rules of measurement. Okay, SMM7. Okay, this software embedded with the all the measurement tools available in the world. Okay, so this particular task I will go with NRM2. Okay, now time is 8:06 UAE time. Okay, please count the time. I will click OK. Okay, so this is the newest technological advancement available in the world. Okay, so as traditional quantity survey, you will surprise with this technology. Okay, then I will click on this beam model. Okay, then I will click on import RVT file. Okay, then I will click on this folder icon. Then it will lead to my desktop. Okay, I will go to my desktop. Then I will go to this ISL meeting. Then I will click on final module. Then I will click open. Okay, then I will click open again. Okay, now time is 8:07. Okay, now all the data of this Revit model will be imported into this CubiCost software. Okay, so this is the technology you have to get familiar with. Okay, so with this technology, your knowledge level go to another level. Okay, so please observe very carefully. This is the magic. Okay, now I'm going to measure this whole building. Okay, according to the measurement rule within 3 minutes. Okay, I will click next. Okay, I will click next. Then all the data will be imported into this CubiCost software. Okay, so just sit back, so relax and watch. Okay, okay. Now this is our beam model. Still time is 8:08. Okay, 2 minutes has gone. Okay, so this is our beam model. Okay, actually this is one of my students' work. I will click here and click on all flows. Okay, so this is the beam model. Okay, this is the beam model. Okay, I will quickly go to this quantity and I will click on calculate. Okay, then I will click on force calculate and then I will select all and click OK. Then all the quantities will be calculated according to the measurement rule within 5 seconds. I will click OK. Then I will go to view quantity by category and I will click this and click OK. Then you can see all the quantities here. Okay, column, wall, curtain wall, doors, windows, wall open, beams, interior slabs, steel composite beam, everything. Okay, then this is the newest technological advancement. Okay, I only took 2 minutes to measure everything according to the measurement rule. Now you will have a lot of questions. Okay, how you can confirm these quantities are correct? Okay, you might ask from me. Okay, so I will show you how to revisely check your quantities with this model. Okay, so this is very important. Okay, if you are a contractor quantity surveyor, okay, you have to accountable for your quantities. Okay, I will go to this view quantity by category and I will click OK. Okay, then I will go to this wall. Okay, then I will click on this particular quantity. Okay, so this is very important. I will click on this quantity and I will click on revisely check with model. Okay, then this is my model. These are my quantities. Okay, I will click on this particular quantity. Okay, then it will appear in the model. Okay, so this is the quantity I have selected from here. Okay, so you can devisely check your quantities with your model. Okay, this is not enough, no, as quantity service, this is not enough. Okay, you just devisely check your quantities with your model, but this is not enough. Okay, I will show you how to get further clarification of our quantities. Okay, I will go to this wall. Okay, so this is my model. I will go to this wall and I will click on this particular wall. Okay, I will click on this particular wall. Very simple. Okay, then I will go to this view expression. Okay, okay, now you can see comprehensive breakdown of your quantity. This is the length, this is the height, and this is the thickness, and these are the deducted wall openings. Okay, this is a comprehensive quantity breakdown. Okay, so you can get a very good idea about your quantity from this area. Okay, this is also not enough. I will click here and I will click on this 3D deduction. Okay, now, okay, so this is our wall. So this is a replica of that wall. Okay, you can see this is the original quantity. Okay, and this is the deducted window. This is the deducted window. Okay, and this is the deducted column. Okay, and this is the deducted wall beam. Okay, so you can see you can get all the quantities. So this is for volume. Okay, and this is for formwork. Okay, you can see. Okay, this is the original quantity and this is the deducted volume. So likewise you can get a comprehensive idea about your quantity. Okay, is this enough? No, this is not enough. Okay, I will show you another thing. Okay, so after creating this 3D model and after seeing these quantities, you can go to this report. Okay, you can go to this report and click OK. Then if you are a contractor's quantity surveyor, no need to prepare quantity reports by using Excel. Okay, you can get all the quantity reports automatically. Okay, as you can see, this is the quantity summary for columns. Okay, you can get the quantity summary flow wise. Okay, and this is quantity summary for walls. You can get quantity summary flow wise. Okay, doors and windows, wall opening, all the quantity summaries can be get automatically. So this is the biggest technological advancement you have to get familiar with. Okay, and this is for B. Okay, you can have various quantity summaries. Okay, it's very simple. And this is quantity measurement worksheet expression. Okay, quantity measurement worksheet expression. Okay, so this is also very important. Here you can get the comprehensive quantity breakdown. Okay, as you can see, volume, this is the height and this is the length. This is the formula that have been used to quantify this quantity. Okay, so you can get a comprehensive idea uh, about your quantity. And this is quantity measurement worksheet. Okay, as traditional quantity surveys, we are more familiar with this TDS sheet. Okay, even you can generate a TDS sheet by using this software. So after creating the model, you can generate this measurement worksheet. Then you can just submit this measurement worksheet to your client. Okay, or consultant. Okay, then you can share the 3D model with our cloud-based platform. Then you can briefly explain your quantities to your client. Okay, then they will never question your quantity because these quantities are 90.99.8 accurate quantities. Okay, so this is the future. Okay, this is the future you have to get familiar with. Okay, so I think all of you have made the payment and joined this particular session, and some told me that they have some personal issues. Then I will share this video with them. Okay, then they can get familiar with this technology. Okay, so this is the technology that you have to learn in order to get ready for the future. Okay, so think hard. Okay, think hard. I will teach you 0 to 100. Okay, no need to worry about anything. I will provide you all the lecture materials, all the lecture recordings, and I have introduced a new concept, pre-recorded video concept. Okay, with that pre-recorded video, you can easily revise your memory. Okay, so this is a well-organized course. Okay, and you will get a comprehensive understanding about the building information modeling technology as well as this content surveying. Okay, I'm going to discuss about pre-contract application, post-contract applications. Then I will teach you about the e-tendering. Okay, after that I will teach you about the cloud management. Okay, everything will be covered in this particular course. Okay. Okay, so this is the living magic that I wanted to show you, and these are quantity index. Okay, you can use these quantity index to prepare VOPs. Okay, so network index, conflict index, formwork index. Okay, so you can do anything by using this CubiCost software. So this is the newest technological advancement. Okay, so if you have any question, please feel free to ask. Okay, I will give you 2 minutes. Okay. If you have any question, please ask. Okay. Don't be surprised. So this is the new norm.
Excuse me.
Yes, Mr. Shazika, you can ask your question.
Yeah. Actually, for this only Revit itself can be developed, or this software have a facility to develop these 3D models.
Yeah, I'm going to explain that in the future next part. Okay, so this is basically complete quantity surveying software. Okay, so if you have AutoCAD drawing, PDF drawing, even if you have JPG drawing, you can import those drawings to the software and you can measure anything. I will show you with the practical example, then you can get the comprehensive idea about that. Okay, thank you very much for your question. Actually, this is very good question.
Is it only for building purpose, or all other infra purpose also it can be used?
So we have 4 individual softwares. We have TES, TRB, TME, and TBQ. Okay, so TES software for structural and architectural elements. Okay, you can create columns, beams, slabs, and foundation elements by using this TES software. Then you have TRB software. We have TRB software. So this is our reinforcement solution. So this TRB software can be used for infrastructure measurements. Then we have TME software as our MEP solution. Then we have TBQ software for BOQ preparation. And for infrastructure project scenes, in the sense, if you want to measure soil bulk in a road and other infrastructure element, we have another software called TRS software. This TRS software will be introduced in this year. Okay, we have already introduced the Chinese version of this TRS software. This TRS software, especially for infrastructure work. It is our new solution. So that is the answer for your question. Thank you very much for your question. It is a valuable question. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Okay. Any other question? Actually, Mr. Praveen, happy to see you. How are you?
Yeah, same to you. Thank you. So these all softwares are included in this session, or
yeah.
It's a separate one?
Yeah. I will teach everything.
All infra, everything is included in this session, right?
Infrastructure software hasn't been included because we have only the Chinese version. Okay. Once we get this TRS English version of this TRS software, then I will organize a separate session and I will teach you definitely.
It will be a separate payment for that, or it will be a part of this one?
No, actually, so once we introduce the TRS software, then there will be some promotions, then there will be some introductory sessions, then I will include you to those sessions, then you can learn.
Okay, thank you very much. Thanks.
Yeah.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
I want to ask that so far we don't have any software. What are you talking about?
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
how are we working with this session? Because we don't have. We have only AutoCAD or something like the general software only.
Yeah, it is very good question actually. So next week I will provide you all the softwares. So we will provide you the full version of software for 3 months. Then you can use those softwares throughout the session. So today this is the introductory session. Okay, so next week onwards I will teach you interactively. So I will provide you the software, then I will do the functions, then I will allow you to do the functions with me. Then after completing a function, you can put a done message. So that is the interactive process. So you can learn the software interactively throughout the classes.
As this software is free for life, or it will be payable after a certain period?
For the course, I will provide 3 months full version of the software. Then after that, if you want to use the software for commercial purpose, you have to purchase the software from our loading company.
How much it is? How much for the purchase?
I will send you a quotation. So please request me, and I will send you a quotation for your email.
Okay, is it a affordable value, or it's
it is affordable. It is pretty much less than this Costex software. So
I see.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Okay, welcome. Okay, any other question?
Excuse me.
Yeah.
This software is supported for SketchUp?
No, actually. So this is a quantity surveying software. So this software actually SketchUp software is not a BIM software. So we can't get parametric modeling with this SketchUp software. So we can't get quantity data from the SketchUp software. Therefore, we can't import the SketchUp files to this CubiCost software. Okay. If you have any other question, please feel free to ask. So BIM is the new normal for the construction industry. In year 2019, the world has invested 4.9 billion US dollars in building information modeling. So now researchers forecast in year 2025 24 they will invest 8.9 billion US dollars for building information modeling. So this will be the new normal, and countries like UK, Australia, New Zealand, and America using this BIM technology vastly. So if you want to migrate to those countries, you have to learn this technology. So this is very important for your future. And if you want to survive in future construction industry, you have to get familiar with the newest technological advancement, because this is very important. Okay, so now, in 2000s, okay, in 2000 the industry shifted to traditional method to AutoCAD method. Okay, then now we have came with this AutoCAD software. I think 23 years. Okay, now it's time to shift AutoCAD to building information modeling. Okay, 2D to 3D. Okay, you have to prepare for that. Okay, now I'm going to introduce myself. Okay, I will share my screen and I will explain about myself by using my resume website. Okay, so this is a new concept of mine actually. So instead of having PDF resume, I have this resume website. As you can see, my name is Tilini Tharma. I'm a researcher, writer, and I'm an educator. Okay, so these are my social media profiles. Okay, so this is me. And now I'm 28 years old, and I'm the regional representative of actually education representative of Middle East region of this CubiCost software. So I have trained I have trained more than 1,000 students. So this is very old. I have changed this, and I have involved more than 20 projects and 2,000 support hours, and I have won many awards. And these are the software that I'm familiar with: CubiCost 5D Bin, Autodesk Revit, TRV, Costex, Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel, Navisworks, Bluebeam Revit, Lancet, PowerPoint, ArchiCAD. So these are my skills. And this is my professional experience. I have started my career in access engineering as a training quantity surveyor. Then I have worked as a project quantity surveyor in link engineering. Then I have joined the QServe Cut Outsource as a project quantity surveyor. Then I have joined this CCIS private limited. I was the country representative of this CubiCost software in Sri Lanka. And I have become the best sales manager in year 2021. I have won the award among the other countries, and I have implemented this CubiCost software in Sri Lanka, a lot of companies, and these are the projects that I have been worked. So this is about me, and I'm the vice president public relationship. Vice President Public Relations in IQSSL Toastmaster Club, and I'm level 3 Toastmaster. And these are some projects I have involved with, and this is most popular project, SoftLogic Glowmark building. So I work as the project quantity surveyor of this particular project. So this is a IIHS building, another BIM project I have involved with. And these are a few BIM models I have completed by using this CubiCost software. And these are some 3D models done by me. And these are some BIM trainings that I have been involved, as you can see in this picture. So this is a lecture panel of University of Morocco. So I have trained them as well. This is Sunken Overseas, this is VICM, and I have trained more than 700 students with my 5D BIM course. And this is a picture I have taken in CCLPL. Construction Cost Management Private Limited. And this is some of my personal achievement. I was the country representative and technical manager for Graphisoft ArchiCAD as well, which is the oldest building information modeling software in the world. And this is some awards I have won with IQSSL Toastmaster Club, and I won this humorous speech competition in area 82, and so I have involved with a lot of sports activities as well. And sir, your speech volume is a little bit low. Oh my God. Guys, can you hear me now?
Yeah.
Okay, extremely sorry for that. Okay. Okay, I will speak louder. Okay, so this is me, and I will share something more about myself. Okay. Then you will get very well. And this is my technical representative certificate issued for Middle East region by Glory. And this is one CPD I have done for IIESL UAE, Engineering Association UAE, about building information modeling, evolution of building information modeling. And this is another session I have done for SLPS Oman, the evaluation of building information modeling beyond 21st century and content surveyors role. I think more than 120 content surveyors participated for this particular event. And this is CPD session for Cyber QS Sri Lanka. This is about with regards to building information modeling. And this is the first ever BIM competition organized in Sri Lanka. Organized this particular event, and more than 70 students participated for this BIM competition. So this is the first ever quantity surveying competition organized in Sri Lanka. Okay, so I have initiated that. And this is CPD session for Institute of Quantity Survey Sri Lanka. So I have done the digital measurements for their MEP program. And this is CPD session done for CyberQS about building information modeling. And this is highlights with the IQS Toastmaster Cup. So this is I'm the Vice President of Public Relations. And for year 2023 to 2024. So this is the training session I have done for lecturers of University of Morocco. So I have taken them. And this is for VICM consultants. And this is a session done for IJVR valuation firm in Sri Lanka. And this is for Sunken Overseas. And this is for Construction Cost Management Private Limited. And this is for Sri Lanka Army. ICC, QServe, CLAC, SEC, Moonstone, VForm, Value Management Services. So I think I have trained almost all the consultants, main consultants in Sri Lanka. And so this is CubiCost filing training program. I have trained, I think now more than 700. And this is physical training programs I have done for Oman quantity surveyors. So these quantity surveyors are veteran quantity surveyors who have more than 20 years of experience. And this is my new program. So this is my new project actually. So I have initiated a program for QS software all-in-one. So in this program, I will teach Costech software, PlanShift software, and Bluebeam View software. So this is my first course. So I was surprised. 112 participants in this particular course. So actually, I didn't do any marketing, so I have just shared a few flyers among my previous students. So surprisingly, a lot of content surveys joined for this particular program as well. And this is finally a BIM module for PhD students, and this is my Revit and Navisworks course. And I want to encourage people to learn this Revit and Navisworks because this is very important. With this technology, they can get familiar with new technologies. They can obtain a lot of jobs with this knowledge, Revit and Navisworks, because if you receive a building information model, BIM model, then you can easily quantify that particular model by using this Navisworks software. That's why I have organized a BIM competition among my students, and I have given them valuable gifts. Okay, for first place, I have given smartwatch. Second place, power bank, valuable power bank, and third place that is airport. Okay, so I want to encourage the students to learn these technologies because even if you learn technologies like Revit and Navisworks, you can do a lot of freelancing works as well. Okay, so this is about me. Okay, so now we have to talk more about the subject, no? So I have spoken a lot about me. Okay, now we are going to discuss about the subject. Okay, so I will share my screen, then I will introduce you the 5th largest software construction software provider in the world, Cloudin International. Okay, so let's speak about Cloudin International. So this is a prestigious company. So you have to learn the legacy of this Cloudin software company because these certificates coming straight away from this Cloudin company. So then you will receive a valuable certificate, world recognized certificate. So with this qualification, you can go further with your career. And first, I will explain a little bit about digital transformation. So construction is the lowest digitalized sector according to McKinsey 2015. Okay, what we have to do in order to promote this digitalization in this construction industry. Okay, we have to adapt to this construction technology. Okay, we have to adapt to these new technologies. Okay, and we have to push others to adapt to these new technologies. So then only we can improve the efficiency of our industry. Okay, over the past 2 decades, construction productivity has only grown on average 1% per year. Okay, so we have a great responsibility as construction professionals. Okay, think hard. Construction is the most collaborative yet the most fragmented industry in the world. Okay, so this is a collaborative industry. Okay, so we have to work collaboratively. Okay, therefore, building information modeling is very important. Okay, so our company have 24 years of experience and we have 340,000 corporate clients all over the world, and we have used this CubiCost software for 6 million construction projects all over the world, and we have 10 million end users. Okay, so this is a very big company. Okay, and we have 80 global subsidiaries and branches, and we have 100 global clients, and we have 6 research and development centers. Okay, so this CubiCost is not only construction solution provided by this global company. They have a lot of solutions. Even they creating robots for bricklaying, tile laying. So their technologies unimaginable. Okay, so you are pretty lucky to learn this technology. Okay, so you can compare this CubiCost software with any other software available in the construction industry. So this is the best quantity surveying software in the world. This is the best. And we can use this CubiCost software for various works. Okay, in order to create 3D models, planning and scheduling, cost and estimation. Then we can use this software for sustainability and asset management. Okay, so it's very important. Okay, so Global CubiCost has 4 solutions. TAS. TAS for structural and architectural measurement. Okay, TRB for reinforcement measurement. And we have another software called TBQ. So we can use this TBQ software for BOQ preparation. And our MEP solution is TME software. So you are going to learn all this software within this course. Okay, and this software is a RICS affiliated software. So I have a lot of students, chartered quantity surveyors recently. Norman, I have trained for a record to the Karuna, and he has obtained IPSS chartership recently. And they asked a lot of questions about building information modeling in the wider panel. Okay, so he personally thanked me because I taught him about this building information modeling technology. And this is about Global CubiCost. So you can use this CubiCost software throughout the life cycle of the construction project, not only in the pre-contract stage, but also you can use this CubiCost software in the post-contract stage. Okay, so you can use CubiCost TAS software easily, and you can prepare the BOQ and do premium estimation. Okay, when it comes to the post-contract stage, you can create a 3D model by using TAS software. Then you can use the segmentation function. You can divide your construction project into segments. Then you can quantify your building in order to prepare interim payment application and subcontractor valuation. So this is the beauty of this CubiCost software. Not only interim payment valuation, not only subcontractor valuation, you can use this software for variation management as well. You can compare a couple of drawings by using this software. Then you can separately calculate additions and omissions. So this is the most technological advancement in the world. And I will explain you about the cloud platform. So those things will surprise you. And this is a small comparison. So this is the traditional method. 25 years back, we all use this traditional method. We all use these 2D drawings, physical drawings, and we use scale to measure the drawings. Okay, then we manually wrote down all the quantities in a piece of paper. Okay, so this is the traditional method. So it is like an old cellular phone. Okay, we call them Gadolbaga in Sinhala. Okay, so this is an old cellular phone. And then we have adapted to this AutoCAD and Excel. Okay, we quantify all the quantities by using AutoCAD software. Then we entered all the quantities to Excel sheet manually. So it is a very old-fashioned. It's like a very old-fashioned cellular phone. Okay, now we have come to BIM era. Now, if we get the Revit model, we can quantify that Revit model within 3 minutes by using softwares like CubiCost 5D BIM. Okay, now we have come to digital era. Okay, this is like a smartphone. Okay, very easy comparing to the traditional method. And this is a little elaboration of this typical software. You can model your your building by using TAS, TRB, and TME. Okay, then what is our cost management solution? TBQ. So we can use TBQ software to prepare the BOQ and cost estimations. Okay. And this is another illustration. So if you have IFC or Revit drawing, you can directly import that particular model to our software and quantify very easily. And if you have a scanned PDF, you can import that scanned PDF to our software. Then you can create a 3D model on top of that. Then you can quantify that particular model. If you have 2D drawing or vector PDF, you can use auto identification function in order to create the 3D model. After that, we can easily quantify the quantities. And these are some testimonials. So this is our Gordon office building. Okay, so you can see the evaluation. Okay, so this is a very big company. So large company in China. Okay, and this is a small illustration. Okay, so as I explained, we can use this software throughout the life cycle of the construction project. Okay. And why we have to learn the CubiCost. Okay, so this is the work efficiency comparison. So if we use this use a traditional method to complete the construction project, okay, as a quantity survey, it will take 49 days. Okay, if we use the manual method. Okay, for that same task, if you use this CubiCost software, you can complete that particular project within 12.5 days. Okay, so this is the efficiency of the construction, of efficiency of this CubiCost software. So you have to understand this. And these are some testimonials from Singapore. Okay, very large buildings completed by using this CubiCost software. Okay, this is Kimberly Construction in Singapore, and this is a huge building in Malaysia. Okay, they use this CubiCost TAS and TRB. And I also use this CubiCost TRB software for one of the largest projects in Sri Lanka, daily project. So I have quantified all the reinforcement quantities by using this TRB software with help of my student. And this is another illustration. This is another testimony. Okay, a lot of projects completed by using this CubiCost software. And these are some leading consultants using this CubiCost software solution. RTDs, AECOM, Northcroft, WT Partnership, Curry and Brown. Okay, a lot of leading consultants using this CubiCost software as their cost management solution. And these are leading contractors: ICC, Siemens, Obayashi, Samsung Construction and Technology. They use, so they are the main contractor for this Burj Khalifa building. Okay, they also use this CubiCost software. And then these are some leading developers, as I mentioned earlier: Subhana Kerala, Ecobol, Setia, Skyball, Sunka. So the leading developers using this CubiCost software. And these are Singapore trusted clients. Okay, so you have to understand this. So this is very important. So this is very popular software in Singapore, and this is the most popular conversion software in Malaysia as well. And in Indonesia, also a lot of companies using this CubiCost software for their construction. Then top 5 reasons to choose CubiCost: improve work efficiency 60 to 70%. Okay, so once you complete this course, you will realize that. Okay, so you will be surprised. Okay, you can complete the whole construction project within 1 day if you learn this CubiCost software correctly. And with high-tech capacity and reputation, increase your chance to win the tenders. Okay, if the client know you are using this CubiCost software for your tenders, so then they will praise you. Okay, they will appreciate you. Then the tendency to win tenders will be increased. Then to be professional internal collaboration and management platform, so you can use this CubiCost solution for collaboration as well. So you can share files among each other. Then you can use this CubiCost Cloud to share your model with your stakeholders. So you can do many things by using this CubiCost software. Make the team happy and higher feeling of achievement. If you use this CubiCost software, you will feel good about your job. Okay, because you are working with the newest technological advancements, then you can get your quantities really correctly. Okay, then you can trace back your quantities very easily. Okay, so you can have a 3D visualization of your quantities. Okay, you can have a lot of advantages. Then you will feel good about yourself if you use this CubiCost software. Easy to communicate with the world largest in quantity customer base. So we have world largest in quantity serving customer base. After learning this software, you can communicate with them. Okay, so if you're willing to go for a job, then you can communicate with those people. Then you can easily obtain a job in CubiCost using companies. Okay. Okay, so this is about global CubiCost. Okay. Now I will give an answer for the question asked by Mr. Hasita. Okay, so Hasita, please concentrate. Okay, I'm going to give you a comprehensive answer. I think you can hear me properly. No? Can you hear me? Yeah. Yes, I think you can hear me properly. Okay, so I will share my screen. First, I will explain you about this CubiCost software. Okay, so this is very important. Okay, so now I'm going to answer the question asked by Mr. Hasita. Okay, okay, please observe very carefully. I will go new. Okay, just give me a moment. Yeah, you can hear me properly, no? Okay. Okay, please give me a moment. I will share the screen. Okay. Okay, now I'm going to give a comprehensive answer for Mr. Hasita's question. Okay, Mr. Hasita, please observe very carefully. Okay, so we'll log into my CubiCost software. I will give a project name. This is test one. Okay, test one. Okay, then I will select a measurement tool. This time I will go with SLM7, and this is metric and video, and I will click OK. Okay, it is very important. Okay. Okay, so this is our software interface. Now I'm going to measure a 2D drawing. Okay, please observe very carefully. This is the beauty of this software. I will go to my plus sign, then I will go to my desktop, and I will click on my drawings, and I will get these 3 drawings. And I will click open. Okay, so this is my structural drawing. Okay, I will go to this split drawing function, and I will split this drawing, right click, Then I will click on the drawing name and I'll click OK. Now I have splitted this particular ground floor. Then I will quickly go to this axis. Then I'll click on pick axis and click on axis, right click, then pick label. First the letter, then the label, right click. Okay, then I will click on auto identify. Then this is my predefined access grid line. Okay, this is my predefined access grid line. Okay, now I'm going to measure this particular drawing. Okay, how to measure? Okay, first I will measure columns. It's very easy. Okay, I will go to column. Okay, then I will go to this big line. Okay, I will click on this column layer. Okay, I will write, sorry. Pick sideline, I will click on column layer and right click. Okay, then I will click on pick label and click on the label, right click. I will click auto identification. Okay, you have all the columns here. Okay, 3 seconds, no? All the columns you can get. I will go to quantity and I will click calculate and click call for and calculate. Here we go. You can have all the quantities. Okay, volume, formwork, rebar, everything you can get from this particular software. Okay, 2 minutes, 4 columns. And this is my drawing, and I will click on original drawing. So this is a 3D model of our column arrangement. Okay, so if you want to measure beams, okay, click beams. Okay, then you have to go to identify tab, click on pick sideline. So these are beam sidelines. Right click, pick label, beam label, right click, auto identify. So you can have all the beams very easily. Okay. Then if you want to calculate walls, okay, so you have to split the architectural drawing. So these things are very easy. Okay, I will teach them all. Okay, and you can get a comprehensive understanding about these things. So this is the newest technological advancement you have to get familiar with. Okay, in this course you will learn all these things. Okay, okay, now I'm ready to measure architectural walls. It is very easy. Okay, you just need to go walls, click walls. Okay, then you have to click on pick masonry walls sideline. Okay, then this is masonry wall sideline. Sorry. Okay, then right click, then you have to identify doors and windows sidelines. Okay, these are windows and these are doors. Okay, okay, now you just need to click on auto identify. Okay, then you can have all the walls. Okay, not only walls, you can easily quantify doors and windows. Okay, so this is my doors and windows schedule. Okay, I will go to doors and windows. Where is my doors and windows? Here it is, and I will go here and select the links. Okay, this is my doors and windows schedule. I'll click on identify doors and windows schedule, and I will highlight this doors and windows schedule. And all the details from this doors and windows schedule will be imported into our software. Okay, then I'll come back to my ground floor drawing and I'll get all the elements back. Okay, then I have to do one more thing. I have to click on pick doors and windows labels. Okay, so click here, right click, then I will click on auto identification function. Okay, then you can have all the doors and windows in this drawing. Okay, so this is very easy, no? Okay, so this is the newest technological advancement in the world. Okay, so you can go to floor settings and change the floor heights as well. Okay, so this is my ground floor. I will change the floor height to 4 meters, and this is my first floor. I will change the floor height to 4 meters. So likewise, you can change the floor heights as well. Then these are the details of the structural element, foundation, concrete gate, concrete category, formwork type, mortar plate, mortar category. You can change all these things. Okay, this is additional knowledge. Okay, so this is our model. Okay, not only structural and architectural element, but also you can measure finishes. Okay, by using this software, I will go to my ground floor again. Then I will easily create slabs. Okay, I will click on slab, click on easy to slab. Very easy. Go to identify, click label. I'll click on the label, right click, then identify slab, click OK. Okay, again. Okay, this is my slab. Okay, now I'm going to quantify finishes. Okay, it is very easy. You can go to finishes and click on room. Okay, then you can create a plus sign and create a room. Okay, now you can go to your door tab and click on finish schedule. Okay, then you can click on import Excel file, click on finish schedule and click open. So this is your finishing schedule. So these are, I think, horizontal waterproof and these are vertical waterproof. And this is skirting and this is skirting height. Okay. There is skirting height. Okay. Ceiling finish, suspended ceiling finish, corresponding ceiling finish. I will click on identify. This all the information will be identified by the software. Okay. Then I'll close this. Okay. Now I had to do just one thing. I will go to architectural drawing. Okay, can you see? So this is my wet kitchen. Okay, I will go here and click on this wet kitchen. Now I will click on this space. Okay, you can have all the finishes. You can see skirting, wall finishes, floor finishes, ceiling finishes, everything. Okay, so this is the newest technology you have to get familiar with. Okay. So after clicking quantity and clicking calculate, you can get all the quantities. Okay. Okay. Column, wall, doors, windows, beam, vestibular, room, floor finish, waterproofing, skirting, wall finish, ceiling finish, everything you can get. Okay. I have quantified this building within 6 minutes. No? So if you have the 2D drawing, you can create the 3D model on top of that particular drawing and quantify very easily. Okay, so not only this. Okay, so this CubiCost software is like the combination of all other measurement softwares. Okay, everything in Plansec available in this CubiCost. Everything in Phosphate available in this CubiCost. Okay, everything is Bluebeam available in this CubiCost software. I will show you one example. So if you want to take off manual quantities, you can go to this custom quantity. Okay, if you click on custom quantity, you can quantify custom areas very easily. Okay, like this. Okay, if you want to have custom lens, this is how you can get the custom lens. Okay, so you have to get familiar with this technology. Okay, so it is okay to go for RICS and have a lot of professional qualifications. So it is very important. But now with this technology, industry is changing. Okay, so if you want to become a contract administrator, now you have to get familiar with the BIM protocol. Okay, instead of these forms of contracts like FIDIC, NEC, and SBD2. Okay, so you have to get familiar with BIM protocol. So the BIM protocol is the form of contract for BIM governing projects. Okay, you have to be futuristic. Okay, with the development of ChatGPT and AI technologies. Okay, I know in I think 4 to 5 years. Okay, contract administration work will be automated with these AI technologies. Okay, all the contractual phases can be identified by these AI technologies. Okay, so you have to think hard. Okay, you have to merge with the technologies. Otherwise, you will be unemployed. Okay, so think about it. So this is very dangerous things. Okay, we didn't, as Sri Lankans, we didn't forecast the financial crisis. Okay, lot of quantity surveyors lost their jobs. Okay, now we don't predict this technological advancement. We don't adapt to these technologies. Okay, if you go to UK, Australia, and New Zealand, in their universities, they are teaching these new technologies like building information module. Okay, but in our universities, okay, we don't teach these technologies. They don't teach the practical applications of these basic softwares even. Okay, no need to teach building information modeling, no need to teach Revit and Navisworks in university, but basics. They have to teach the basics. Okay, this is very huge problem. Okay, this is a very good research area. So I have been mentoring lot of students, especially in University of Morocco. When they do their research, they I think 30-40 students approach to me for get some consultations. Okay, so I always advise them, okay, as young quantity surveyors, so think rationally. Okay, you have to adapt to these new technologies. You have to promote the new technologies among your friends. Okay, so this is very important. Okay, now you can see this is how you can get the manual quantities. Okay, okay, are you excited? Okay, okay, don't be afraid. Okay, so you have to adapt. Okay, this is very easy. Okay, so after learning this software, okay, you will be motivated to learn more technological elements. Okay, we have to break that barrier. Okay, we have to motivate our Sri Lankan quantity surveys to get to the next level. Okay, so we have very good reputation even in the Middle East region. Okay, so we have to think differently. Okay, otherwise we will lose lost lot of opportunities if you don't merge with the technology. Okay, so this is a higher risk, but still we don't think about it as Sri Lankan quality servers. I don't know why. Okay, now we are here. Then I will show you another magic. Okay, so this is a structural architecture solution. I will show you another thing in the software. So we can use this software for interim payment calculation. Okay, I will show you how to use that. I will go to this and I will click on about CubiCost. Yeah, I will click on learn new feature and I will click on the segmentation right now. Okay. Okay. I will teach you everything. Okay, no need to worry about anything. Okay, I have trained a lot of students. Okay, I have plenty of experience. I can give you that. Okay, course by course, I'm improving. Okay, for this course, I have introduced this pre-recorded video concept. Okay, so I have been in a lot of lectures. I have missed a lot of lectures. Okay, and I had to go through the lecture recordings. Okay, so let's suppose lecture hours will be 4.5 hours. Okay, then if I follow the lecture recording, okay, it will take more than 5 hours to catch up all the things. Okay, so it's huge time waste, no? Therefore, I have introduced a new concept called pre-recorded video. Okay, so I will provide you a pre-recorded video. Okay, then 20-minute pre-recorded video. Then after the session, you can go through this pre-recorded video and catch up all the things. Okay, so this is very important. I want everyone to learn. So that is my main objective. Okay, I don't want to earn money. I won't earn money. So that is not my main obligation. I want to promote this technology among country surveys. Okay, I want to help to increase the efficiency of the construction industry. So that is my main goal. Okay, therefore you have to work hard. I will teach you very clearly. Okay, don't need to worry about anything. Okay, learn the segmentation function. This is very beautiful function. I will go to this segmentation and I will click on this progress claim. Okay, this is very important. You can select the scope. Okay, if you prepare a subcontractor bill. Okay, there are separate subcontractors for columns, separate subcontractors for walls, separate subcontractors for beams. Okay, then you can select your scope by using the software. I hope you all can hear me properly. I will click columns, walls, beams for this particular example, but in practical scenario, you can go with one. Then I will select a segment. Okay, so this is my area subjected to the this valuation. Okay, now let's suppose I'm measuring for preparation of intermediate application. Okay, so this is my subjected area. Okay, if I click on this set associate segmentation, okay, I can get elements out of this scope. If I click on this element and right click, I can get this particular quantity for this progress claim 1. Okay, clear. Okay, so sometimes subcontractor has completed the element beyond this selected area. Okay, therefore you can use the set associated segmentation to get that quantity. Okay, then if I click on set associated segmentation and click on quantity inside this selected area and right click and click on null, okay, we can remove this particular quantity from this selected area. Okay, so you have to understand this very clearly. Okay, then this is very easy. You can go to quantity and you can calculate this. Okay, and after that, this progress claim. Yeah? I will go to quantity by category. Then I will go to this classification and quantity, and I will click on progress claim. Okay, then you can get progress claim quantity separately, now quantity separately. Okay, then you can use this progress claim quantity in order to prepare the interim payment application. Okay, so this is very important. Okay, I think you have got a very good understanding about that. Okay, then I will show you how to do a variation order. It's very simple. Okay, all elements, you can get all elements. Then yeah, you can click on this sample revision bar. Okay, so this is the drawing. I will go to revision. First, I will compare these drawings. Okay, I will go to this drawing changes. Okay, then I will click on this. This current drawing should be sample revision 2. Okay, then this is the newest drawing. So I will compare this with the older drawing, sample revision 1, and I will click on compare. Okay, then you can see. Okay, the items that subjected to deleted. Okay, they will colored in this red color. Okay, and this beam should be added. Okay, and unchanged area colored in gray. Okay, so clear. Okay, then we can click on add revision and click OK and calculate. Okay, then we can change the quantities. Okay, I will delete these 3 beams. Okay, I will click on here beams and I will delete these 3 beams. Then I will add 1 beam here to here. I will click on draw and I will draw a beam like this. Okay, this is the new beam, and I will right click. Then I will go to revision and I will finish the revision. Okay, after finishing the revision, you can click on view change quantity. Okay, then you can see all the changes. Okay, you can understand this very clearly. Okay, from this. Earlier we had 3 beams. Okay, earlier we had 3 beams. Okay, so we deleted those 3 beams. Okay, then it has been reduced to 19 beams. Okay, then we add 1 beam. Okay, then after that it can increase to 20 beams. Okay, the cumulative change is -2. Okay, so now you can clearly understand about this revision function. Okay, so this is the newest technological advancement available for quantity survey. So you have to get familiar with this. Okay, now please observe very carefully. Now I'm going to, so if you have any question, please feel free to ask. Okay, after that I will give you a comprehensive idea about our reinforcement solution. Okay, so you will be surprised with this new technology. Okay, and you will motivate to learn this technology. This is very important. This is for your future. Okay, if you learn building information modeling, you can go long way. Okay, if you are a young quantity surveyor, please think about this. Okay. Okay, no questions. Okay. Then I will look into TRB software, our reinforcement solution. Okay, so this is amazing software. Okay, Actually, I like this DRB software more than this TES software because I have completed the mega scale project by using this DRB software as a young quantity surveyor. I don't have much experience, but I have completed this project. Okay. From that project, I have gained a lot of experience. So try. One day you can fly, no? So yeah, this is our TRB software. I will share my screen and I will show you the TRB software. Okay, so my lectures are never boring. Okay, I will keep you awake throughout the sessions. Okay, I have a record. Okay, no student has ever slept in my class. So no need to worry about anything. So this is my TRB software. I will click the, I will select the measurement tool and click confirm. Okay, then I will start my project. Okay, the interface is little bit different to TES software, but functions are same. I will go to identify and I will click on drawing manager and I will click on add. Then I will get some drawings. The structure layout plan, architecture layout plan, and file cut details, and I will click OK. Okay, so this is our structure drawing. So we have split function here as well. I will split the drawing and right click the drawing name and I will separate this drawing. Okay. Okay. This is my ground floor drawing. Okay. Yeah. After trial period, how we can buy software and how much cost this software? Mr. Hasid, I will send you a price quotation. You can request me for a price quotation. So if you are in Sri Lanka, then I will make you contact with our Sri Lankan dealer. Okay, I can deal with you if you are in Middle East region. Okay, I will email you the price quotation. And here I have a company, so I have purchased a company here in Oman. Tusker International. I'm the director of that company. And I have another company in Sri Lanka, Technology Private Limited. So Tusker is the authorized dealer in Oman. So yeah, I can assist you if you in this Middle East region. Then I can make you contact with our growing company. And we have another system. So we have this rental system. So we have purchased this software. We will give our clients in rent basis. So I will let you know further information regarding that as well. Okay, now this is our column. This is one column. Now I'm going to model this particular column. So please observe very carefully. Before model this column, I will go to my, I have to get another drawing, this column detail drawing. Okay, so this is my column detail drawing. Okay, as you can see, this software is very speed, no? Just click on that drawing now, you can see the drawing. Okay, so this is our reinforcement arrangement. As you can see, 60-16. We have 6 main bars and the toe steel, and the bar diameter is 60. Okay, our links are 6 at 175, and we have one hook. Okay, we are going to model this particular column. I will go to column and I will click on this plus sign and I will get the rectangular column and I will double click on it. Okay. So what is the sectional width? Sectional width is 200. Okay. No, sectional width is 450. And what is sectional height? It is 200. Okay. So this is our column and main bar 60, 60. 60, 60. Okay. We have 6 bars, but diameter is 60. And links R6 at what? R6 at 175. R6 at 175. Then let's 3 by 2, no? 3 by 2. Okay, so we have this hook. Okay, so this is my reinforcement arrangement. I will double click on this column and I will click on this point function and I will place my column here. Okay, this is my column. I took only few seconds to create this column, no? Okay, then I will click on this column. Then I will go to quantity, then I will calculate this column. You can just right click and calculate. Then you can see the rebar arrangement of this particular column. It's really here. Okay, so you can remove these links and see the main bars, and you can remove the main bars and see the links. Okay, can do anything. Okay, the most beautiful thing is PRV software. Okay, please observe very carefully. You can have the this bar schedule. Okay, if you click on this print element schedule, you can have the bar schedule in very quick manner. Okay, you have cutoff lengths, number of bars, then total weight, everything. Okay, with split seconds. Okay, so this is the newest technical advancement you have to get familiar with. So I have completed the huge project by using this PRV software. And this is very efficient and effective software you can use in the construction industry. As construction professionals, we have to promote these kind of technologies among the construction in construction industry. Okay, so please learn this technology. Okay, sooner or later, this software will conquer the construction world. Okay, I have very good faith on that. Okay, because they have introduced this software, the English version of this software in year 2017. Okay, now a lot of companies all over the world using this software. Okay, this software will conquer the world, and this is very good quantity surveying software in the world. Okay, then okay, this is reinforcement and everything. Then I will explain other things. Okay, reinforcement was being lab. I will explain those things in the class. Okay, then this is actually PRV software. So if you have any question, please feel free to ask. Okay. Okay. The most beautiful software will come next. PME software. New baby of our clothing family. Okay. It's a new baby born in 2021. Okay. So I have given some suggestions to improve this software. So I have further rights for that new baby. So let's talk to this new baby PME software. Okay, so if you have any question with regards to PRV software, please ask. Okay. If you have any question, please ask. Okay, don't be afraid. Okay, I'm just a simple guy. Okay, you can ask me any question. Okay. Okay. So in this course, I will teach you many things. Okay. So I have started my first company when I was 26 years of age. Okay. Then after that, I expand my business in this Middle East region. Now I have implemented the company in Oman. Okay. So I will teach you how to start a company, how to build a company, how to manage your money. Okay. I will teach you everything. Okay. So each and every session, I will allocate 15 minutes for your personal development. Okay. I will teach you how to prepare your LinkedIn profile. Okay. How to prepare your CV, how to merge with the technology, what is the importance of learning AI. Okay. I will teach you that. The SketchUp, how to do freelancing works. Okay. I will teach you everything. Okay. So it is for your personal development. I will allocate 15 minutes of each of the lectures. And now I have started the new project. Okay, so I have read the amazing book called Atomic Habits by James Clear. Now I'm translating that particular book in Sinhala. Okay, and I'm publishing one article for 1 week in LinkedIn, and it is very popular among content users. Actually, I have got 100 likes in LinkedIn for my previous newsletter. So it's pretty amazing. So you can read that. How is calculate the lap length? The bar 6 or 12? Yeah, it's very good question. I will quickly explain that, answer that question, and I will move to the TME software. Okay, it's very good question. I tell you. All things are embedded with the software. We teach you that. Okay. All the lap lengths calculate automatically. So this is company. Actually, this PRB software is very complex software. Okay. So, but this is very user friendly. But you can do a lot of things by using this PRB software. I'll teach you. So yeah, thank you very much for your questions there. Okay, so if you go to this project settings and if you go to this flow settings, okay, you can see this is our concrete grade, and this is the clear cover. You can change this clear cover according to this specifications. Okay, and these are the anchorage settings. Okay, 36B divided by 29D. Okay, you can change these things according to your specifications. Okay, and these are the lap length. Okay, lap length settings, and this is the bar length. Okay, you can change your bar length according to your specifications. Okay, if you have, I think you can't see my screen. Can you see my screen? I think you can. No, Mr. Answer for Mr. Uday's question. You can change the bar length, my dear. You can here you can change the bar length if you want, and the lap length will be calculated according to the specifications. Okay, and if I further explain that, okay, you can see this. Okay, for columns. Okay, so these are the measurement tools. Can you see? This is scattered distance. Okay, can you see? You can change this. Then these are the reinforcement arrangements. So if you merge couple of columns, so this is the arrangement. So you can change these settings according to your specifications. Okay, so this is for round beams. Okay, so this is the measurement tool. You can change this. Then all the quantities will come according to the measurement tool. Okay. This is column merged with the slab. Okay, so this is the beam merged with the slab. Okay, this is a column merged with the foundation. You can change these things. Okay, you can change the horizontal bendings. You can change the vertical bendings. So this is column merged with pipe. Okay, so you can change these things according to the specifications given. Okay, so this is the next level. Okay. Yeah, together we can make this popular among graph conversers. Okay. Okay, here we go. Now we are going to learn the ME software. This is just the introduction. Okay, in the class you can interact with the ME software. Okay. TME. Okay. Okay. I will share my screen. Okay, this is the TME software. When we want baby. Okay, I will go to new project. I will go to new project and I will click on OK. Okay. For this session, okay, I will talk about the HVAC measurement. Okay, so it is very interesting. Okay, that's why I chose HVAC. You can measure plumbing, every plumbing element, every HVAC element, every electrical element by using this software. Okay, today I'm going to discuss about HVAC. I will click on plus sign, then I will go to my desktop. Is that software support for MacBooks? So it's very important question. Actually, if you install Windows in your MacBook, then you can use, because I can remember Mr. Suranga from University of Moratuwa, and he has also MacBook, and he installed Windows very easily to his MacBook. Then he used the software. Okay, that is the solution for that. And there is my drawing. Yeah, TNC drawing, and I will go with ACMD. Okay, this is ACMD example. Okay, this is my drawing, as you can see. Okay, first I will teach you how to auto identify these equipments. Okay, okay, I'll get this equipment. So I want to measure this equipment. I'll quickly go to this identify and draw. Okay, then I will go to air conditioning equipments. Okay, okay. Meanwhile, I will get equipment. Okay, so now I'm going to auto identify this particular equipment. It's very easy. I'll go to equipment and click on equipment. Then I will click on pick device. Then I will select this particular device. Then I will remove these things. Then I will right click, pick system test. Okay, this is system test, and right click, then find all. Let's go with this pick device. Okay, then I'm remove these things. Okay, now we are ready to go. Right click, then click system test. This one, right click, find all. Okay, now we have identify 6 equipments, and I will click auto identify. Okay, then I will reduce the brightness of this drawing. Okay, this is very interesting function. No? You can reduce the light brightness of the drawing, then you can see all the measurements separately. So this is the beauty of the technology. Okay. And not only this, okay, so but also we can auto identify these ducts very easily. I will go to duct, and I have a couple of methods. The double line method is most popular method. I'll click on this line, and I will click on this description, and I will click here. Click line and description, then this line. Duct, rectangular duct, double line method. Distance between selected lines and automatically selected element. Oh, why is that? Oh, we have to scale the drawing, I think. Okay, I will scale the drawing first. I think. Then how to get the long length. This is also okay, this is properly scaled. And it's happening. Double line, 1, 2, 3. Okay, here you go. You can get this quantity like this. Okay, first this line, then secondly this line, thirdly this line, then you can get the all the duct measurements. Okay, very easy. No? Okay, this is the double line method. Okay, so after getting all the duct lines, you can click on duct fitting identification, and you can select the drawing and right click, then all the fittings will be calculated. Okay, so this is the 3D view of your duct arrangement. Okay, even you can get the duct price automatically. Okay, so this is the newest technology. Okay, then you can if you want to identify a duct system, you can easily do that. You can click on this duct system identification. Click here. Right, sorry, click here, then this one, then click this one, right click, then click OK. So you can quantify duct system altogether, then click on this duct fitting identification, then you can select this, right click, here we go. Okay, so what will happen if the drawing having duplicated lines? Okay, in very good question. Okay, sometimes drawing has insufficiencies, mistakes. Okay, so we have to adjust our measurement method accordingly. Okay, so if drawing has been created in correct layers, you can use this methods very easily. Okay, this is a design and build project. You can ask your architect or engineer, I want drawings in this way. Okay, then you can easily quantify the drawings. But it is traditional method, then you don't have control over your design. Okay, then they will provide the drawing, then you have to adjust your measurement method. Okay, so so this is the most easiest method. No, so instead of this method, you can use various methods. Okay, this line method is another example. Okay, you can easily use this line method. Okay, then you can manually give the descriptions. You can give the width and height. Okay, then you can measure accordingly. Okay, so let's give width as 400 and height as 250. Okay, then you can manually measure this. Okay, okay, so as a quantity survey, you have to think. Okay, you have to find the better solution. Okay, then you have to measure accordingly. Okay, I think you have got answer for my question. In the software, you have a lot of solutions for your problems. Okay, so if the drawing haven't any layers, then you have to change your measurement method. Okay, you have a lot of options as a quantity survey. Once you receive the drawing, you have to be mindful about the drawing arrangement. Then accordingly, you have to decide the measurement method. Okay, anyhow, you can measure all the entities very quickly compared to the traditional method if you use this CubiCost solution. Okay, I hope you have got a comprehensive answer for your particular question. Okay, now, okay, so this is PME software. Okay, now we have spent 1.5 hours with this digital world. Okay, now I think you are more than excited to get familiar with these technologies. I think most of you have already did the first payment and joined for the course. And please spread the news among your colleagues. Okay, please motivate them to learn this technology. So this is very important. Okay, especially if you are in Gulf region. Okay, please motivate your friends to learn this technology. Okay, then they can develop themselves, they can get ready, they can prepare for the future technological advancement. Okay, so I will show you interesting slide at the end of this session. Then I will motivate you to merge with the digitalization more and more. Okay, okay, so I will share my screen and I will show you my final slide set. Okay, This is very important. Okay, we have learned a technical part in the previous 1 hour, 1.5 hours. Okay, so this is for your life. This is for your future career. Okay, so please listen to this. This might change your world. This might change your life forever. Okay, okay. This is interesting slideshow. I have used a very new technology to create these slides. Okay, if you click on this slide, it will zoom in. No? This is amazing. No? Yeah. So I have used a technology called Prezi to prepare this slideshow. Okay, I will teach all those things in the future sessions. Okay. Be prepared for the future challenges. As quantity surveyors, we have to be prepared for the future challenges. Okay, if you are get familiar with this traditional method, and if you have worked with this traditional method for, let's say, 20-25 years, okay, you have to have a mind to change your perspective. Okay, how to be prepared for the future challenges. Now, world is changing with the technology. Okay, now instead of Facebook, okay, within next couple of years, they are going to introduce this metaverse concept. Okay, then you have to go to Facebook with the virtual glass. Okay, then you can maintain a different character in this virtual world. Okay, so in this physical world, let's say you are a business manager. Okay, then you can become a sport person in this virtual world. So this is about metaverse. Okay, so with the technology, okay, world has been changed. Okay, so in order to survive in this changing world, you have to get familiar with the technology. Okay, so prepare for the future. If you are a quantity survey, learn these new technologies, learn CubiCost, learn CostTech, learn Planchip, learn Bluebeam Review, learn Navisworks, learn Revit, project management softwares. Okay, it's very important for your future. Okay, especially if you can do a MSc in building information modeling. Okay, you will be a multi-millionaire before your 40s. Okay, small prediction for me. Then go abroad for profession. So if you want to migrate to another country, especially Middle East region, especially Australia and New Zealand, then especially now Canada and the UK, okay, you have to get familiar with these technologies, especially if you want to migrate to Canada. You have to get familiar with this Planchip software and Bluebeam Review. Okay, so these couple of software largely used in Canada. Okay, please think about it. Okay, if you want to go abroad for new profession, you have to get familiar with the new technologies. It's very important. Then APC interviews. As I mentioned earlier, I had a student call this now he had obtained this charter sheet from IQSSR. And for his APC interview, they asked many questions about this building information module. Okay, so if you want to do RICS, okay, you have to get familiar with this technology and start a new business. This is very important. Okay, this is a new market. Okay, there are no many 5D beam quantity surveys in the world. Okay, there are no many beam capable quantity surveys in the world. Okay, this is a new market. If you want to start a new business with regards to this beam quantification, so this is your playground. Okay, please think rationally. Okay, please be motivated. Okay, if you want to start a new business, so this is a very good option. Okay, become a 5D beam quantity survey. Tell the world I can measure a 3D model. Okay, then a lot of jobs will come to you. Then go abroad for higher education. So, I have few students now in Oman, and now they are going UK for their higher studies, and now they are learning these software, especially this CostTech software. I think you might know Gayan Pereira, these RCD, Lakmal Bandara. Okay, those are my CostTech students. So now they are learning these softwares, because after they go to those countries, okay, in their curriculum, they have these softwares, CostTech, Bluebeam, Planchip. Okay, so as Sri Lankans, we have to think. So we have to change our curriculums. Okay, basically. We have old curriculums. We have to change that. And this is very important. So this is for your life. Okay. So as quantity surveyors, you have to be futuristic. What is this? This is a small video of the metaverse. Okay, so this is the virtual world we are going to live in future. Okay, so as a future quantity surveyors, who know, you have you might have to measure these houses in this metaverse. Okay, you have to be prepared for that. Okay, and this is the line project. Beyond with the line project. Okay, they are using hologram technology, building information modeling, and virtual reality, augmented reality in this line project. Okay, and you have to be ready for that. Okay, there will be plenty of opportunities for quantity surveys in line project, especially being capable quantity surveys. Okay, definitely European companies will implement their subsidiaries in this line project, and they will recruit building information modeling capable construction professionals. Okay, so if you believe me, okay, I say working this airport project back in 2021, they had a 30 member of beam team. Okay, they implemented their company in Sri Lanka, and they have brought 30 member of beam team, foreign beam team. Okay, so we have to get those opportunities for Sri Lankans. Okay, we have to change. Okay, so it's very important. So you will have a lot of advantage by being a being capable content survey. And this is the ring project in Dubai. Okay, they also will use this building information modeling, and this is a Brisbane Olympic. Okay, now they are recruiting a lot of construction professionals and providing them work visa for especially for this particular project. And few friends from Oman went to Australia with work visa. So this is very important. Okay, so please create your LinkedIn profile properly. Okay, so most of those quantity surveys got their job opportunities via LinkedIn. Okay, create your LinkedIn profile properly. Okay, then you will get a lot of jobs. And this is one of my favorite project. This is a port city project in Sri Lanka. Okay, once we get stable again, so then I also can go Sri Lanka and work in this port city project. So I'm eager to work again in Sri Lanka. So hopefully we can end this financial crisis together, and again we can make our Sri Lanka as a paradise. Okay, so this is about being futuristic, and as a quantity surveyor, I believe you all have to be mindful. Okay, I'm a big fan of mindfulness, Eastern meditation technique. Okay, so if you can allocate a few hours in a few minutes in the day for mindfulness, it will be very, very important for your life. Okay, so being mindful is very important for our career as well, because we are dealing with numbers and figures every day. So if you be mindful, your mistakes will be minimized. And also, as a quantity surveyor, we have to think out of box. Okay, we have to overcome our professional boundaries. Okay, so we have to think differently. Okay, don't stick to your jobs. Okay, think about business ideas. Okay, if you start a business, you can have a financial freedom. Okay, you can have a freedom of life. Okay, you can do whatever you want. Okay, so think about it. And engage with new technologies. Okay, in order to survive in this changing world, you have to get familiar with this new technology. As you can see in this picture, this video, this is a BMS, building management system. Okay, you have to learn these things in order to survive in the industry, and robotic technology. And as a quantity surveyor, you have to learn these codings as well. So if you have heard about this BP Academy, you can learn all those things free from University of Morocco. BP Education, please have a BP Education account and learn all those things properly. Then your scope will be increased. Okay, and these are softwares you can learn if you want to work as a freelancer. These are very valuable softwares. As you can see, SketchUp, then Flux, Revit, okay, learn these softwares. And this is one of my project actually. So I have trained one of my students, Gulshan Costa from University of Morato, and I gave him a task to create a 3D model. Okay, so this is his work. Okay, I think he's patched up or something in University of Morato. Now he's working as a lecturer, and he did this, and he marketed this particular gig in this Upwork, Fiverr, and freelancer, and he earned a lot of money. And my project was I wanted to teach this software uh, in for Sri Lankan technical college students. Okay, so so I won't charge a lot of money from them. So I will give this knowledge, and I think I charge only 10,000 for one student. Okay, and I'm willing to reinvest that money for them. Okay, so I will give huge prizes for them, and then they will motivate to learn this technology. Then they will get some dollars from foreign countries. Okay, so this is one of my project. So now I'm working on that project. All syllabuses are created already. Now I'm going to start this project. With this, we can get some dollars to our country. So please think about it. And not only having knowledge and having qualification is enough, but also you have to market your skills. Okay, so LinkedIn is the better platform for that. Okay, so I'm consulting to create LinkedIn profiles. If you go to my YouTube channel, I have done some videos, so you can go there and learn how to create a proper LinkedIn account. Okay, then you can market your skill in your LinkedIn account. And I have a lot of LinkedIn friends. I think I have more than 3,600 followers in LinkedIn. And it is very amazing platform. You can do anything in this LinkedIn. So you can implement your brand in this LinkedIn platform. Okay, so it's amazing platform. And this is CV. Okay, a lot of students don't know how to create a proper CV. Okay, in order to go for a job, you have to create a proper CV. And I have insight for that. So instead of PDF CV, please create a virtual CV. Okay, so I have created this website, resume website. So you can create a website like that. Then you can impress your recruiters. Okay, so think about it. Think differently. Okay, you can change the world. And the Toastmasters Club. So this is very important. So if you want to improve your communication skills, you have to join Toastmasters Club. Okay, so I have involved with this Toastmaster Club since very long, and I have won a couple of titles for the IQSSL Toastmaster Club. I won third place of humorous speech contest, area contest, and yeah, it is very good experience for me. So please join our Toastmasters Club. This is open invitation. So you can contact me. So I am PPPR. You can give me a message, then I will recruit you to the club. Okay, no need to pay anything. Okay, so you have to pay only 10,000 or something if you willing to engage with Toastmaster International, but no need to pay anything for engage with Toastmaster. IQSS Toastmaster Club. Okay, so this is the insights from me. So thank you very much for your valuable time, and so you guys are amazing. I hope you will join for our calls, and you will learn a lot of things from this course. And I have extended the payment date, so please make the payment before next week, and please tell your friends I have extended the payment date. Okay, I can get up to 50 students. Then I will send you the recording as well. Actually, I will upload this recording to YouTube. Then I will send it to you. I will send the recording to the group. Please make the payment. After making the payment, making the payment, you can get all the lecture materials and software license. Okay, then you can get access to my LMS as well. and I will provide you the pre-recorded videos after each and every session. And I will give you life lessons and lessons with regards to technology. Okay, so this will be an interesting journey. Okay, please engage with me in this journey. So this will change your life for good. Okay, thank you very much for your kind participation. Let's meet within another week. So have a wonderful week ahead. And if you have any questions, yes, Mr. Praveen, if you have any question, please ask.
No, thank you very much. It is an introduction session, so we will go in deep in the coming days. So
Yeah.
next session will be when?
Next Saturday. Next Saturday, same time.
Next Saturday.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, Mr. Praveen, you can share this information with your friends. Okay, so you can get some friends for this course.
Yeah, sure. Definitely. Definitely.
So
in upcoming days, I will have more questions. So now
yeah.
it's an introductory session. So thank you very much for your introductory section.
Thank you.
And
Thank you.
I am looking forward, very much interested in that one, and I'm looking forward an advanced technology from your side as a help.
Yeah, I'll do my best. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. Good night.
Good night. Good night. Good night. Others, if you have any questions, please feel free to ask. Thank you. You're welcome. Okay. Okay. Now, this is the end of this session. Thank you very much for your kind participation, and thank you very much for showing interest in this newest technological advancement available in the world. So please spread the news among your friends, motivate them to learn this technology. Okay, then they can uplift their career. And bye-bye. Good night. Let's meet within another week. Have a wonderful week ahead.